Hello, I'm Victor, your digital director for the 2020 Taiwan Schools Debate Challenge. This is a video tutorial on how to use the official platform of the tournament, Discord. We will be going over how to navigate the server, what settings you should check, as well as how to set up a group chat to communicate with your team during a debate. Let's begin. So first, if you're unfamiliar with Discord, Discord is an open chat platform that allows you and groups to communicate online with one another, not unlike Skype. So if you haven't downloaded Discord yet, please navigate to discord.com and simply download the application for your computer. Discord does allow you to run Discord in the browser. However, we strongly recommend that debaters download the application onto their computers just so that the application can run as smoothly as possible. Now, in the briefing that you were sent, you would have seen the official link to invite you to the official server. Please click accept invite, which, if you have downloaded Discord, will automatically launch in the app. After clicking on the invite, you will have been added to the server. The Discord server bot, Meeseeks, will send you a message saying, "Hi and welcome to the official Discord server for this debate challenge. Please have a look at the relevant channels as well as the rules channel just to familiarize yourself with the rules." So first, please check out the registration channel. There you can find the official naming scheme that we are using for this debate challenge. Please navigate to the right and change your nickname to the official designation, which for debaters is D underscore your team name, so whatever your team name is, underscore your first name. And then click Save. Once the organizing committee sees that you have used the correct naming format, we will then process your registration. Keep in mind that if all you see is the registration channel as well as the rules channel, this means that you have not been officially registered and you must change your nickname on the right side of the screen in order for your registration to be processed. So once the organizing committee has seen that you have processed and changed your nickname to the correct format, you will have been added and officially registered. The way that you can tell whether or not you're officially registered is by looking towards the right for your name under debaters. If you are under that category, it means you have been officially registered. The second way is to see that you have access to all of the other channels that only registered debaters have access to, that you can see on the left. So first, let's take a look at all of the categories. After you have been officially registered, the registration category is not important anymore. So we'll continue to introduce the rest of the channels. So first is the TSDC official category, in which there is the welcome channel, the rules channel, announcements, motion release, motion inquiries, technical inquiries, as well as a voice channel for the auditorium. During your briefings on the day of the event, you'll be told to gather in the auditorium, obviously for the briefings as well as before and after motions are announced. Any important announcements will be made in the announcements channel, of course. Motions will be released here as well as on TabbyCat and through voice in the auditorium. If you have any questions on the day regarding the motion, please tag any AdCore members in the motion inquiries channel. And if you have any technical inquiries, please use @orgcom in the technical inquiries channel to ask one of our OrgCom members. In the lounges, you have the common area, which is a text chat, as well as multiple voice channels if you choose to use any of them. Feel free to use any of the channels in the lounge area to talk to other debaters, judges, and other people during the event. The observers section is not important for debaters, so we'll skip that category. Lastly, you have all of the debate rooms. You have debate rooms 101 through 110, 201 through 210, as well as 301 through 310. During the debate, if you are on proposition, aka side government, you can use the first room. So if you're assigned to room 101 and you're on side government, you can use room 101 itself to prep during the debate. Opposition teams will prep in the room stating op prep, and under no circumstances should any debaters be inside any of the rooms marked edge only. If you're found to be inside an edge only room, you'll be immediately removed from that room, and other additional consequences may apply if, for example, you're inside while edges are discussing their verdicts. So that's all of the channels in our official server. Now for notifications, by default, Discord automatically sets your account to send you a notification anytime someone writes a message in any of the servers. So to change that, please navigate to the top left and click this little down arrow, which will open up the settings. Hit notification settings and switch your server notification settings to only at mentions. Do not select nothing, because all important announcements will be tagged in the announcements channel, and to make sure that you receive all of our important announcements from either the organizing committee or by the adjudication core, please leave your server notification settings to only at mentions, and do not enable the suppress at everyone and at here, because that's how the organizing committee and the edge core will be tagging everyone to let everybody know any important announcements. So once you've done that, just hit done, and then you're set for notification settings. Now, to check your microphone as well as your headphone settings, please navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen, hit the small little gear icon that is for user settings. Obviously, you have all the different settings here. Just navigate down to the app settings. You have voice and video. Here you can select your default input device as well as your output device for your speakers or for your headphones, and input device obviously for your microphone. You can test your microphone by hitting let's check, which will test the volume level of your microphone. And of course, Discord provides a troubleshooting guide if you are having problems with voice or video. We recommend that debaters test their microphone and their headphones with their team members or with other people on Discord before the event actually starts, so that we can have the event be as streamlined as possible. Now for your input mode, please set the input mode to voice activity. What this means is when you're inside of a voice channel, anytime you talk or any noise is made on your side of the computer, it means that the microphone will turn on and everybody will be able to hear you speak. I'll show you later on how to mute yourself, and you should mute yourself on default whenever it is not your turn to speak. Next, obviously, input sensitivity. If you set it to auto, the computer will automatically help you to determine the sensitivity of your mic. For video settings, please select your camera that you are using for your video, and obviously you can test your video by using the preview function here. That's mainly it for user settings. Now, we don't provide specific rooms for teams to discuss during the debate. These are all voice channels on the left. So obviously, when you're prepping, there's a specific room for government and for opposition to prepare in. However, during the debate, all debaters will be in the official room. So if you are assigned to room 101, after prep is done, opposition will move into room 101 and adjudicators will join you in room 101 to begin the debate. So when you're inside of a voice channel like this during the debate, please make sure you go down to the bottom left-hand side and click mute. This means that your microphone will be muted for however long the mute button is active. To unmute yourself, simply click that again and you'll be unmuted. And the way to tell whether or not other people or your voice is being heard, just look for the little green circle that changes whenever you speak. Now, when you're inside of the official channel, specifically the auditorium, please make sure that you are muted at all times. The auditorium will be filled with everyone in the event, and that because of this, obviously we need it to remain as quiet as possible so that key information can be relayed to you by either the adjudication core or by our organizing committee. Now, say you want to communicate with your team, and for some reason you're not physically present with your team in a particular place. Say you want to communicate with them through a text channel or through a text channel. What you would do is you would navigate over to Home, click one of your friends on the side through direct message, and click Add Friends to DM. After typing in the name of a friend, you can create a group DM, and there you can talk to one another through text chat or through audio. So that concludes this official debaters tutorial for the Taiwan Schools Debate Challenge 2020.